Welcome back to the Maine Post-Secondary Outcomes Report by Maine Earns. In this video, I'll be going over the Schools tab. You can navigate there by clicking here. Clicking on the Schools tab, you'll be able to view a map with the schools participating in Maine Earns. You'll also be able to view data by school name, credential, and area of study using these drop-downs. With area of study, you're able to make multiple selections. For example, if you were a student living in central Maine and you wanted to see what schools were in your area, you can hover over this map. You can even zoom in to the area you're interested in and see which schools are around. In this video, we'll be looking at the University of Maine in Augusta. We'll use this filter here to look at University of Maine at Augusta. We can select the credential if we just want to compare the bachelor degrees that are offered. And we can see here in this table all of the bachelor degree programs, the number of graduates, percent with full-time Maine wages, and the adjusted median wage for bachelor degree students 3 years after graduation from the University of Maine at Augusta. Hovering over each of these columns, you can change how the data is sorted. It will automatically default to sorting by the number of graduates. So you can see that of all programs, Mental Health and Human Services has the greatest number of graduates. They have 59% of graduates working full-time in the state of Maine 3 years after graduation, with an adjusted median wage of $36,752. If you'd like to view programs that pay an adjusted median wage of greater than, for example, $50,000 3 years after graduation, you can use the slider here, or you can select in this box and type in the number you're looking for. It will automatically filter this table for all the programs that pay greater than $50,000. Now, if you want to see which ones pay the most 3 years after graduation, you can use this Sort tab here. Now you can see that there are 5 programs with an adjusted median wage greater than $50,000 for students 3 years after graduation. You can also use this filter here if you wanted to see which programs have the highest share working full-time in Maine 3 years after graduation. Finally, if you wanted to see the outcomes of students just 1 year after graduation or any other outcome years, you can use this filter here, and it'll automatically reset this table. If you want to reset any of your selections, you can click here, back on the Schools tab, and it will provide you with a new, fresh starting page. Finally, to return back to the main page, you can click here on the Maine Earns. And it will bring you back to the Broad Field of Study tab. In the next video, I'll be going over the General Research tab and showing users how to create and export their own custom queries. Thank you for watching.